Hello students, hope you all are safe at your homes. So today we are going to study the second unit chapter 1 online safety. So students, let's see what are the topics which we are going to cover here. First we will see the introduction, then we will learn about some internet concepts, then various services of internet and different social networking platforms. Coming to the first topic of introduction. Students, you all know the complete era is now surrounded by internet. So in today's life, we live in a world where technology and internet spins a web of interconnectivity around the world, around the globe. What does this mean? It means that internet is found in each and every part of the globe, and it interconnects the different parts of the world. Through internet, more than 50 million people in countries around the world have been connected. So you see students how large this number is. More than 50 million people are connected around the world using internet. A global web of computers known as internet allows individuals to communicate with each other, often called as the World Wide Web. Now there is a global web which is known as World Wide Web, which allows us to communicate with each other over the internet. The internet provides us a quick and easy exchange of information and is recognized as the central tool in the information age. Information age means the era in which complete information is provided using the internet, and internet is the great tool or the central tool, you can say, which provides quick and easy exchange of information. You can find anything related to any topic over the internet. Now what is internet concepts? Student, first of all, the main key term which comes over here is internet is sometimes referred as net. In short, we just say it as net. You can see in daily life we use the term net is available, net is not available. So this small term net is coined for the term internet. It is a huge network of computers around the world, or network of interconnected computers where one computer can be connected to any other computer in any part of the world. Now what does this point means, students? The internet is the huge network of, huge means a very large network of computers which is connected around the world, or you can say it is the network of interconnected computers. आपस में जुड़े हुए computers का network है where one computer is connected to any other computer in any of the part of the world. मतलब एक कंप्यूटर दूसरे कंप्यूटर से जुड़ा हुआ है कहीं पे भी किसी भी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में. Hence it is called as network of networks. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now it has not only made communication easy but also provides us various services. We'll going to study about the services also in this session. What are the various services of internet? First of all, the large volume of information. This is the key success of internet. Students, you know that internet holds a great amount of volume of information. It can be used to collect information from around the world and provide it to users in any part of the world. Suppose we are sitting here and we can see the data or the information related to any part of the world from any corner of the area we are present. So the large volume of information which is held by internet is the main key success of its era. Coming to the next point, e-commerce. So students, you know what is e-commerce? E-commerce stands for the term electronic commerce. When the items or the goods are bought and sold over internet or using the internet services, then this process is known as e-commerce. So internet is used to carry out the business operations, and these set of operations are called as electronic commerce. Next term comes the m-commerce, or else you can say mobile commerce. Student, what is mobile commerce? When any commercial transaction that takes place over the mobile internet, or you can say your smartphone using any mobile app, then it is known as m-commerce. Next is mobile wallet. You all are very familiar with the mobile wallet. The very good example of mobile wallet is Paytm. You all are using it, and you might have seen your parents or anyone in family using about this Paytm wallet. So many companies offer the services of mobile wallet to its customers. So users can use their smartphones with the internet connection in order to use this feature. Other part of the service of internet is the online reservation. Students, what is online reservation? You are very familiar with the e-ticketing. So online reservation is just a method of booking tickets for your railways, buses, flights, etc. So an e-ticket is simply a paperless electronic document for passengers. Whenever you are going from one place to another, you can book your ticket using the internet connectivity or the various websites like IRCTC is used for railways, and different other websites are used for booking your different tickets. So this online reservation or booking of tickets is known as online reservation, and this is simply a paperless electronic document which you can carry with you and in during your journey. The other service of internet is entertainment. Now apart from all the other sources, internet provides a very good entertainment source. It helps us to see various sites, watch movies, you can listen music, you can download music, you can play games, etc. So it is a good source of entertainment also. The other services of internet are news and journals. Students, you are very familiar with newspaper. You all know in our daily life we read newspapers which comes at our home. So this news and news journals can also be read on internet or online, you can say. So when this all the newspapers, magazines and journals of the world are available on internet, it can be in form of blogs, web feed or news groups. Now these are different categories of news and journals. What is blog? A blog is just frequently uploaded online personal diary or information article. On specific articles that are uploaded on a blog are called post. It is just the individual writing of any person or personal diary on any information. So these blogs are written or updated articles on any information, and these blogs are called post. Also, I would like to tell you one more point over here. The person who writes the blog is known as blogger. Next point comes is the web feed. Now, what is web feed? Web feeds are simply any update about the new content which is available on the website. Anything which is latest, आपने सुना होगा latest information. So that is a part of web feed. We can subscribe to that website and we can get the recent updates or the latest updates on the content. Last comes the news groups. News groups is simply a discussion point, or you can say a discussion group or forum on the internet about any particular object or any particular article, subject, anything which consists of different notes which are written to a central internet site. एक central site पे किसी भी टॉपिक पे या किसी भी सब्जेक्ट पे लिखे हुए नोट्स को जब डिस्कस करते हैं then it is known as news groups. The other service of internet is social networking. Now again, the social networking is a vast topic and it comprises of various social networking platforms in itself. You are very familiar about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. So students, all these are different platforms for social networking. So what first we will see what is the concept of social networking. A social networking is simply a service which is an online platform which allows people to build social networks. What is social networking? It just online platform है जिस पे हम अपना social network को build कर सकते हैं, और we can develop the social relationships with each other or with our different people, friends and other relatives. So and we can share our similar or personal career activities, different real life activities or connections we can find there. Coming to the first social networking website, which is Facebook. It is the most widely used social networking website where users can share their status, updates, pictures, videos, and web contents with their friends. So students, you are very familiar with Facebook. It is one of the most widely used social networking website. You can share your any status, your pics, your videos, your live locations or live programs like this with your friends and family members. The other comes is the Twitter. Twitter is also an online social networking service where users can post and interact with messages which are known as tweets. Whenever you post anything on Twitter, it is known as tweet. You are very familiar with the word tweet. Anything, anyone when post or interact with message, it is known as tweet. And the term tweeting refers to posting or any other sort of messages for anyone who follows you on Twitter. हम कोई भी अगर मैसेज पोस्ट कर रहे हैं ट्विटर पे, then that process is known as tweeting. The last part comes of social networking site over here is Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Now again, Instagram is popular social networking website, but what its main feature is all about enhancing photographs and videos. This Instagram is owned by Facebook, and this app allows users to upload photos and videos to the services which can be edited. You can edit your photos and videos in different format using this Instagram website, or you can see Instagram app, and this is one of the most popular social networking site for your photographs and videos. You can share your live programs, live videos also to your friends and family members. The other part is YouTube. Students, what is YouTube? It is simply a website which is mainly used for video sharing purpose. You can find all types of videos over YouTube, and this website is headquartered in California, and later on it was bought by Google in November 2006. Last but not the least, WhatsApp. You all are very familiar with WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger is a freeware cross-platform messaging and voice-over service. Now, what is the meaning of all these terms? Freeware means it is a free software. You do not have to pay anything for it. Cross-platform messaging means you can do various types of messaging, and voice-over service. आप अपना वॉइस भी रिकॉर्ड करके सेंड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सेंड योर टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, वीडियोस, pictures, etc. And this WhatsApp is nowadays owned by Facebook. So you can see Facebook is a very big social networking site. It itself is a website, and it has owned the other two, Instagram and WhatsApp. This WhatsApp allows you to send and receive text messages, voice messages, and you can even make voice calls and video calls as well. So students, these are various social networking sites. Now this other part will be continued in the next session. Thank you.